I had to do this quick video so y'all can see this for y'allself. My bananas leaking. Now I bought some bananas the other day and it did the same thing. I get up this morning, come up in here and my bananas are leaking, and they did this overnight. They wasn't even like this yesterday. And I know when I bought some the other day and they did the same thing, I'm like, well, look, it leaked all the way down. Like, what in the world? So then I look over here. Let me show you something else. I went and got this corn 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Yesterday, I started noticing, like, it looked kind of funny. This morning, look. Look at this. It's like, something ain't right, y'all. Something ain't right. Y'all can say what y'all want. Something is not right. And I believe stuff is being sprayed on this daggone food, and it's just not lasting. I've been talking about this for a while, but this is getting ridiculous, y'all. That's why it's important to grow our own food. But some stuff we just cannot grow in our backyard. And this is disgusting. It's a waste of money. It's a waste of my time. But this is what you get when you put when you put yourself where you have to trust other people. You have to depend on other people, these companies and stuff, for your food. This is what you get. You don't know. I ain't never seen no corn, especially no bananas, leaking, y'all. There is one over there like it's foam, like it was leaking from my corn. Like, why is the food leaking? I just want to pop on here and just let y'all know that, because something is not right, all right? Y'all listen in the comments below and let me know if you having this same issue.